Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today is actually as an exciting day. I'm going to reveal some surprise to you later on. Yeah, just to welcome you. This is Adil from Adil Second Chapter. This channel is about cash stuffing, budgeting, saving money for the future, and investing. Yeah, so I hope this channel will inspire you to start your financial journey. Yeah, guys, this is the new setup. As you can see, actually, I updated my table. Let me just show you. Okay, so I updated my table. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, so we got, as I showed you before, the candles is here. Actually, I bought a new ATM bank machine, which is this one. This is a I just bought it newly. In this one, I'm going to save some money, cash in here. I'm going to go through it later on with you guys. And this one has its own cards, which is here. You can buy this from Amazon or from Timo as you wish. So you have, this is the personal ATM card. I don't know if you can see it, ATM card, and they will give you three. So you set up your own password and then you have your own mini ATM at home. Okay, so this is very handy, guys. So I got this one and I got all my binders. And if you can see them, so this is my binders, which is in here. We're going to go through them later on, in the video. I have my cash stuffing tray. I have my candles, and my candles is here. And I have, this is frankincense, and I have on the side all the different pen and paper. And I have the file, the folder, which is here, which I have all the different categories and budget for budgeting and cash stuffing and cash spending. Okay, guys, so let's go through the video. Let me show you the parcel. So this is the parcel. Arrived actually just now. I didn't open it. I said to myself, I'll open it with my people, my friends. They have to see it. And then on Friday, inshallah, we're going to do a cash stuffing. So actually, guys, the reason I ordered these stuff from Timo, because I want to create two videos per week. This is for those who joined me recently. I'm going to create two videos, one video on Monday, and that video on Monday will be on cash stuffing for my spending binder and for my sinking fund. And on Friday, I'm going to do another video, which is for my cash stuffing for saving challenges. Okay, so it will be twice a week. So it will be on Monday and on Friday. I may do one video. If I have anything new, I'll also I'll come up and I'll talk to you guys. Okay, guys, let me just get the big scissor because this scissor may be small, and then we can open this, unbox this together. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got the scissors. Okay, guys, let's start. Bismillah. Let's see. Okay, maybe we don't need scissors, so let me just open it from the back. Sorry about the noise, guys, but or maybe the scissor is handy. I'll just cut it. Okay, so how have you been? How was your day? What have you been up to? Actually, the weather is nice here in Muscat. Actually, it has been very cold. I still have the cold and flu, guys. Still have sore throat and also back pain starting now. Also aching me. But I said to myself, I'm not going to let this to stop me from doing this with you guys. Promise is a promise. I promise you, once I got my order from Timo, I'm going to do the unboxing with you guys. So that's why I'm doing it with you. And I feel happy that I'm doing it as well because, we need to start doing the cash stuffing and the unboxing for the items that we ordered already from Timo. I hope I got everything that I ordered. So actually, I think the cost of these items, guys, it's cost me around 23 Omani Riyals. Yeah, 23 Omani Riyals for these orders. So I ordered quite a few items and we are going to go through them with you guys. Okay, so hopefully we will enjoy this. Let me just throw this. Okay. Okay, guys, so what did I order? I ordered this one. This is actually, I think this is the 30 envelope challenge. Yeah, 30 envelope challenge. Let me just open it. Where is the opener for this? I'm really sorry about the noise. but let's see. So let me open it. Okay, so this is the, yes, it's the 30 envelope saving challenge. Let me just put this on the back so then we can see item by item. So this is the 30-day saving challenge. Actually, I like the color I chose. There is several colors actually there, but I chose this green color because I felt it's really, it's more interesting, more catchy. Actually, all my envelopes are black, as you can see, apart from this one, which is a sinking fund, which is about blue. I bought this actually yesterday. I'm not into football, but I like this, icon. So I bought this. And I got this one for the black, for the spending binder, which is this one. I got this one, which is, I think it goes well with it, isn't it? And then I got this one for my saving challenge binder. I got this one as well. So these are the, we are going to see that later. So this is the first item, guys. So it's 30 envelope saving challenge. We are going to do the saving challenge. There will be a video coming up on Friday. I hope you don't miss it. It will be all the different envelopes set up, organized, and then cash stuffing will start on Friday as well for these envelopes. So 30 envelope saving challenge. It comes with, wow, it's cute. I like it. And it has this opening. Okay. It comes with 30 envelope challenge. And then it says, I'm saving for, so I have to write what I'm saving for, window starting date and end date. Can you see this, guys? And then it says plan your goals. So what is the goals for this saving challenge? This is cute. And then on the back, you have 30 days. And then you start from day one. And as you go, you can color all these different icons. And then the total you saved already within the 30 days. And then the challenge, is it done or is it half done or half? I don't have to stick to daily basis on every day I have to put, but I'm going to make sure that I'm putting it every week, once a week. I'm going to deposit some money in it. So that doesn't has to be 30 days. I'm not really fussy with the days, but I'm going to start saving, and I'm going to tell you on Friday what I'm saving for with this saving challenge. So it's cute, isn't it, guys? It's cute and handy. So this is number one. Let's go look at number two. Okay, so this is number two. Sorry about this, guys, the noise. Okay, so this is actually called 52 saving challenge. I think it's quite nice actually also. So we have 52 saving challenge, and this one, how do we open this? I think we can take this one out. Okay, so it has like, I don't know, like holder, you can put, it's quite cute, nice. And it says 52 weeks saving challenges. Okay, and it has the 52, I suppose, the envelopes we can put money in. It's quite cute. And it has this is for closing it. And then it has also attached these guidelines for saving the 52 habits. So you have week one, you can put $2. Week two, you put $3. Week three, you put $4 or 4 reals in our currency. And then week four and so forth up to week 52. And you will end up, you put $53. I'm not going to stick to this actually, what to put in them. I'll put according to what I'm really planning to do. You'll see that on Friday. So this is number two. I'm happy with these two so far. Then we have envelope number three. I have a lot of envelopes actually. Envelope number three is quite nice actually. This is like for monthly saving challenge. I mean, every month I'm going to put some money at the end of the month. So let me just open it with you guys. Okay, so it's exciting actually to have these envelopes and start saving money. So this is quite nice also, guys. So you have January, you have February, March, April, May, June, until December. So you have all the different months already labeled, and what you need to do only is just to start saving within the monthly saving challenge. So this is at the end of the month, whatever money remains, I can put them here, or maybe cash condensing. We can put it for cash condensing, guys. Okay, so this will be useful. Okay, so this is number three. Happy, happy, happy. Number four, actually, this is nice. I was looking forward for this actually. This is an envelope number four, and this envelope is 100 envelope saving challenges. This is, I think, I'm going to start this very soon, inshallah, on Friday. And you have also the envelopes in here. Okay, so it has its own envelope. I think the color matches the one I have already. But this one is a smaller and this is bigger. See, it's more or less similar colors. But this is for saving challenges and this is for sinking funds. So it's completely two different things. Okay, guys, so I'm going to arrange them. And inside you have the 100 envelope saving challenge tracker. Start from 1. So if I put money on day 1, I can tick, and then day 2, 3, and 4. And I suppose to save 5,050, let's say Omani Riyals. Okay, so this is the 100 saving challenge. I'm going to tell you on Friday what I'm intending to save this money for. For example, for down payment for a car, or maybe down payment for an apartment, or so forth. So this is nice and exciting. Okay, so I'm happy, happy, happy. Then I have also these extra envelopes, which is also for saving challenges. I got these extras. Let me just open them. Where is the opening? It's from here. This is exciting, guys, because I'll show you how. So this is also 5,050 riyals. I can start saving 100 saving challenges. And then I have all the envelopes here. Actually, I have one binder. I never used, this is really a very nice leather. It's a brown binder. I love it. And I have these accessories in it, okay, which is quite nice and cute. And I have nothing in here, as you can see. So I can use this binder for this 100 saving challenge. Okay, so I have this binder for this 100 saving challenges. Okay, so this is fine, perfect. And then I have extra, what do you call it, envelopes. I ordered these extra envelopes because in the future I want to change all my old envelopes into these. So I'm going to keep this extra handy in case I want to maybe change my old envelopes. And they are quite nice actually. So they come in this white transparent color. So that's excellent. And then I'm looking forward because I forgot actually, guys, what did I order? So I don't know what's inside here. Let me just open it. So excited. This is so nice actually. Okay, so okay, I remember now. This is actually the motivational pens. Motivational pen. Okay, so I have this motivational pen. This is quite actually, this is to keep me motivated, guys, to start my budgeting and start writing my goals and my dreams. So see the colors, they are quite beautiful. So I have the blue, I have the green, matches my binders. I have the brown, I have the pink. This pink I'm going to give to family member. I have the dark blue, I have the gray, I have the silver, and then these duplicates also. Okay, so as you can see, all the different colors, and each pen has its own motivational, what do you call it, writing. Let's see this one. What does it write in it? It says, "You got this." Okay, I hope I got this. So this is number 1. I have the green one, which is this one. It says, "Give it time." So I'm going to give the YouTube time. I'm not going to stop the YouTube, by the way, guys. Whether there is a lot of views or less views, subscribers, I'm going to continue my journey. But I would love that you support me, you subscribe and share and like, because it means a lot to me and it will keep me motivated. Keep smiling. I'm going to keep smiling for sure. And then here, do your best. I'm doing my best anyhow. And this one, go for it. See, it's motivational. Make it happen. I will, inshallah. Then here it says, in this one, it says, I don't know, love yourself or whatever. Anyhow, so it's really very nice pens. And this is Boss Lady. So this is I'm going to give to my niece. And then this one, make a difference. Very good. And the last one, work hard, which I'm working hard at the moment. So I love these pens. So these pens are really is a blessing. So as you can see, I'm enjoying having these pens. So tomorrow, on Friday, you're going to see the video. How did I set up? How did I organize everything? And, excited to do that with you guys. Okay, so actually I bought also the planner. I know you said, oh, it's already April and you just bought now the planner. No, but actually this planner is not only for 2026. but it's actually for 2026 and 2027. Look at this, guys. So cute. The color is beautiful. I love this color. Actually, this is one of my favorite colors. One of my favorite colors, if you can see. So this is like the light blue, and it has everything in here. So we have the month and the date, everything is already written here. Can you see this, guys? Let me just see if the camera is zooming. Can you see it? So this is the book, which is, sorry, I'm maybe showing in the wrong area. So this is the book, okay, year 2026, 2027, and it has all the different months for 2 years. So I'm going to start writing my notes, writing my plans for the videos, writing my plans for the cash stuffing for Monday and Friday, and I'm going to update you with what did I put in my diary. Okay, so love it, love it, love it. And I love it has also support for closing it. Okay, now let's open the last box. What's inside? So excited. Okay, so let's see what's inside this box. So as I told you guys, this is the last actually unboxing I'm going to do this year. So maybe I'll do unbox. Yes, I remember this one. This is a saving challenge, and it's an exciting saving challenge because it comes in a box with 30 different, 100 I think different envelopes, and you can choose what design do you want for your envelopes. I choose actually the beach because I love the beach and I love the sea. It's called the 100 envelope challenge. Okay, so you open it like this. So exciting. And then you get this card, which is a 100 envelope challenge. You can put whatever amount of money you want and you color it. Okay, I already chose the seashell. Yeah, seashell. Supposed to say 5,050 Omani riyals. Okay, so we have this is see how cute the envelopes are. So it's all related to the sea, which I love. See, they are so cute. Okay, so exciting. So it's about 100, and see these also. So all related to the beach and the sea, which I admire. Okay, inshallah, we are going to work on this together, guys. And then I have a sticker here. Whenever I put money in the envelope, I can put what amount I put in this envelope. For example, if I put 43 riyals, then I take that sticker and I put it in here. So then I know when I count, I already posted 34 riyals in here. So that's handy, guys. So this is actually all the unboxing stuff that I bought from Timo. And it's so exciting. I'm going to start, inshallah, hopefully on Friday there will be a video. I'm going to post a video and I'm going to show you all of these beautiful items, guys. Okay, so just to recap, so we have the 100 envelope system in a box, we have the monthly saving challenge, then we have the 52-week saving challenge, which is this one, 52-week saving challenge with the closing pin, 30 days saving challenge. Okay, and at the end we have 100 envelope saving challenge. Okay, and then we have another 100 envelope saving challenge. So as you can see, there is a lot of saving challenges and an extra envelopes in here. So as you can see, guys, we have I forgot to show you this one also. I bought accessory for my envelopes, maybe one of these envelopes, or maybe for my diary. This is the one I bought, so it's so exciting. Okay, guys, so I think that's it for this video. We are going to do another video, inshallah, hopefully very soon on Friday. And don't forget from subscribe, share, and like. And let's make this channel, successful with the help of you guys. And start doing your cash stuffing and and saving money. And write me in the comment, what do you feel about cash stuffing? Do you like this type of videos? And have you started doing the cash stuffing or not? Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was meaningful to you, and I hope you join me in this journey for saving and investing and living the life that we admire later on in the years to come, inshallah. And I hope you have a pleasant day. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And I'll see you on Friday on my next video setup. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next Friday. Bye bye for now. Bye.